In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI for meeting notes in ClickUp. If you've ever found yourself struggling to take comprehensive notes during meetings, today's tutorial will show you an efficient way to handle this task using ClickUp's AI capabilities. We'll walk you through each step so you can automate note-taking and ensure you don't miss any critical points. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account and navigate to your meeting space. Open the relevant meeting where you want to start leveraging AI for note-taking. The process works best if your meetings are well organized in ClickUp, with all pertinent details and participants noted. Once inside your meeting, locate and click on the Ask AI option. This feature allows you to solicit help from AI, automating responses and actions across various functions, including note-taking. This can be a real time saver, especially if you often find yourself overwhelmed with details during meetings. Now, let's automate some processes. Navigate to the automation settings by clicking on Automation. This area may seem a bit complex at first, but it offers powerful options to streamline your workflow. Automations can speed up tasks and ensure consistency in your work processes by reducing the need for manual intervention. The next step is to create an AI field. Click on Create AI Field to begin. This feature allows ClickUp's AI to actively participate and interact with your tasks. Consider it like adding a virtual assistant to your meeting, helping to capture and manage key points. Once your AI field is established, click on Summary. This will guide ClickUp's AI to focus on summarizing the meeting notes effectively. It's crucial here to ensure that AI understands the essentials of what needs to be captured and summarized. After setting up the summary field, click on Field Name to give it a descriptive name. Naming helps in organizing different tasks and AI actions, making sure you can easily identify them later. Next, extend your setup by clicking on Format to ensure your notes are structured and readable. Guide the AI by clicking on Tell AI how to fill out this field. Providing clear instructions here will allow the AI to capture exactly what you need and present it in a manner that aligns with your expectations and organizational norms. As you proceed, a prompt will direct you to automate updates on your list. Click on Automate Updates on this list to keep your notes and tasks up to date without manual efforts. Confirm your settings to save the arrangement. The confirmation will lock in your choices so the AI can start working immediately. Finally, manage your automation by clicking Manage Automation. Then choose the option for text regeneration for the AI custom field to keep your notes dynamic and adaptable. Highlight any key elements you want to draw attention to and save your setup by clicking Save. By following these steps, you've just empowered ClickUp's AI to assist you in maintaining efficient, organized meeting notes. This automation reduces stress and boosts productivity. So, move forward with confidence, knowing ClickUp has your back in managing meeting chaos. Enjoy your newfound efficiency.